Hello there, Stephanie Cameraman, live from the Orlando Money Show. Look who I have with me.
Stephanie,
you guys know this guy, fabulous, Phil Flynn.
Thank
he
you,
is
guys.
Definitely fabulous.
Thank you, Stephanie.
Yes.
So are you. I mean, I'm excited to be here. Orlando, the land, you know, the happiest place on earth, and it's always happier with you. I didn't play golf, mainly because people voted to not have me play. They've seen me play before. I usually hurt the golf course, and you know. It's never good. Never good. I take big chunks out of it every time I try to swing. I don't know why. Yeah. But anyway.
So the last time I interviewed Phil, we talked about oil.
Oil, yes.
Favorite subject.
Favorite
and
topics.
we both agreed that we loved it.
We
right?
loved oil.
Yeah,
we loved oil.
Yes.
You know, to drink it, rub it on yourself, but actually to trade it and buy it.
And so I was seeing buying coming in. We were at a crucial point on the weekly chart of oil. We broke above it.
We did.
It's been an amazing trade. But now we've stalled out.
We have.
So what do we do, Phil?
I think the whole world is stalled. I don't think it's just oil. Yeah. I mean, and I think that's one of the reasons why oil is stalling out. I mean, we had this incredible run in the stock market.
Right.
We've had incredible numbers when it comes to demand, the economy. Right. I mean, look at the economy. The economy is growing at the strongest level in years. Wages are going up for the first time. And this is somehow bad news? I don't know why. The market gets a little nervous, and when the oil traders look to the stock market as a forerunner of potential future growth, they get a little nervous when the market crashes. So I think that's why we're stalling out. Now, the other thing, of course, is, you know, production.
Right.
We are producing more oil than we ever have since the 1970s.
Right.
And that's fine, because even as we are, guess what? Our supplies aren't going up. They're really falling. We've seen a big drop in supply. Why is it? Demand is so strong. Exports are good. So listen, I believe I believe what's going on with the economy is a pullback. I think the economy is good, and I think you would be in a buy the dip mode right now on oil and energy stocks.
But how about the dollar right now?
I know the dollar. Yes, I love the dollar.
Yeah. So do you think that the dollar moves up right now? Oil will be able to move up with that?
Believe it or not, the answer is yes. And a lot of people don't know that. Well, and it's not, don't feel bad, because historically, you just look at commodities and the dollars, and for most of the time, they have an inverse relationship. But that is not true when you're in a strong growth environment like we are now. And if you go back to the last decade, for example, when we had oil prices really on fire, who cared about the dollar? We were worried about the world running out of oil. We were worried about peak oil. The dollar went down, the dollar went up. It really didn't matter, because it was a supply and demand issue. The dollar always has some impact on the price of oil. The question is how much. During quantitative easing, that's all it had, right, Stephanie? Because we had no economy. We just had printing of money, and so wherever the dollar went, oil went. But now we got something going on in the economy. You know, we got those animal spirits going. They're burning a lot of oil. And if you're addicted to oil, you know, in Europe, if the dollar is strong, the better for you, because you can buy more oil. And in the developing world, same thing. You know, so if you get a weaker dollar, it's a lot cheaper. So you're right, the dollar has a big impact, but growth is going to overtake it.
That's really good stuff, Phil.
It is good stuff. I'm telling you.
When we come back, we're going to do. When we come back, we're going to talk about crypto. Talk about crypto? Yeah, so stay tuned, guys.
That's crypto night, isn't it?
Yeah, Thank you.
Thank you.